Hey folks, Jordan here from smartPhone. Now, just got back from the gym and popped on to see a question in one of the communities we're associated with about what they should be looking for in a power dialer. It's a great question. I thought take the opportunity to do a little video for them, shout out, but also for the wider community. Now, I've worked with people in so many different sectors and quite honestly, so many different countries over the years. And I've seen a lot of different use cases in power dialing. The three things I look for in a power dialer, and the things that I tend to recommend for people, they're also the things we built into Smart Dialer, our own power dialer. Number one is, and this is definitely my top, is that it integrates fully into your CRM. That means not only are all your calls pushed and all, so that you're being logged properly, which is critical for you to understand how you're really performing and how your agent's performing, and to make sure you've got the full customer 360 inside your CRM. But it's also critical for the efficiency of your agents. I can't tell you how many times I've seen people complain about having to ping pong back and forth between systems, right? They download a list from their CRM, they take it over to a dialer, they upload it, they dial, they download the results. That is a massive waste of time. And a power dialer should be about efficiency for your people, not about adding workload. So having that full integration into your CRM, absolute priority. Now, the second thing, and this is going to maybe seem like a really niche one for a second important one, but it's actually really important if you're dealing and expanding and working across multiple markets, multiple states, multiple counties. If you've got a customer base across the country, it's that your power dialer can automatically match up area codes. This is really important, again, for that efficiency element. Something that we thought really deeply about when we designed Smart Dialer, because not only can we match those area codes, but we can also rotate through numbers within those area codes as well to give you a lot more security in your dialing, particularly if you're doing more high volume dialing. But being able to match that means that your agents don't have to think, they can just click play and go. Really important for a power dialer. The third thing is that they have really good kind of key follow-up and advanced features. That's kind of like third, fourth, fifth things. But, for example, the ability to send a text after you finish a call on the power dialer. That's really important. You may want to send a quick text. Hey, thanks for speaking to me right now. I'm going to come back to you later this week, whatever it is. But that efficiency to be able to do that, and knowing that you can, choose from pre-made texts that already swap in their names, things like that are about efficiency and follow-up and personal touches. Things like swiftly logging notes, easily logging notes and having them pushed into your CRM. That's a really important thing for getting that full viewpoint. The ability to upload a script and have it actually kind of mail merge, for want of a better term, that dates me, but to merge through the data from your leads so that your agents can see your call script, but with the data from the people they're calling. Really, really important, and something that's very, very simple. But if you don't have it, you're going to lose a lot of efficiency in your agents. And finally, one of the things that I really think is important, because the type of dialing you do will determine your behavior and how you use your power dialer, is that you're able to customize things like, does it automatically start calling again? Does it not? Do they have to, press play, etc.? And that's important because there are times when you're going to be doing follow-up dials to relatively high value deals, and you may want to take 10 to 15 minutes to prepare for the next call. You may want to take time to log your thoughts properly after a call to make sure that things are scheduled properly. And if you don't have the flexibility and customization of how you use your power dialer, then you're locked into someone else's process and not yours. And that's a really important part of a power dialer in my point of view. So those are really the top, I don't know, can I say three? I mean, 3, 4, 5, whatever. Those are my top things, having worked with so many people over the years. And quite honestly, as we designed and we continue to design Smart Dialer, our own power dialer, we integrate a lot of these thoughts into those as well, right? We hear from customers, we see what they're doing, and we enhance our Smart Dialer, our power dialer, to match what we're seeing people's needs are and what best practices are. Now, if you haven't tried Smart Dialer out, head over to smrtphone.io. You can register for a free trial of smartphone if you haven't already. And of course, you can also get a free trial of Smart Dialer. It's an insanely powerful combo, having smartphone, Smart Dialer, all of that, your text, voicemail, your mobile apps, your power dials, everything in one product, seamlessly integrated your CRM, hugely powerful. Got any questions, hit me up here on LinkedIn, or of course, pop over to smrtphone.io and you can speak to our amazing team. Happy phoning or happy dialing, whatever that is, and I'll see you soon.